Hello, this is Emma of EmmaLiveYoga and welcome to day 27 of our 30-day Ashtanga Yoga Challenge for beginners. So today we're going to focus on the Upavishta Konasana family, of which there are 3 variations. So we shall begin with the opening chant. Make sure that you're steady, connect with the breath. Taking a breath in. Om. Vande Gurunam Charanarabinde Samdash Satsva Sabara Pote Neshte Se Jankai Kai Mani Samsala Hala Hala Muha Shantye Abahu Purushikaram Shankachakrasi Tarinam Sahasrashvarasam Shvetam Pranamani Patanjalim Om. So coming to Samastitihi, finding a suitable base for yourself. We'll begin with Surya Namaskar A. Inhale to lift. Exhale to fold. Bend the knees as required. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, legs back and lowering. Inhale to lift. Back bend of choice, you choose. Exhale to dog. 1. So ease in. Check out how you feel. 2. Establish. Bandhas, Dristi, Ujjayi. 3. 4. Burn the muscles of the legs. Draw the kneecaps in gently if you're in downward dog. And 5. Look forward. Inhale, come through. Exhale to fold. Inhale to lift. Exhale, arms to the side. Surya Namaskar B. Ekam, inhale, sit back. Dve, exhale, fold. Trini, inhale, lift the heart space. Chaturvada, exhale and lower. Hansha, inhale, back bend. Shat, exhale, right leg. Supta, inhale, square the hips. Ashta, exhale and lower. Nava, inhale, drop the shoulders. Desha, exhale, downward dog. Left leg. Ekadesha, inhale, lifting. Dvedesha, exhale, holding down. Trayodesha, inhale, lift the heart space. Chaturvadesha, exhale, downward dog. 1. If you need to bring your knees down, that's fine. 2. Let's feel that elevated bit of heat. 3. As we warm the body with movement and breath. 5. Relax the head and the neck. From here, look forward. Pansha, Desha. So, Desha, fold. Sukta, Desha. And exhale, Samastitihi. So we'll do Vinyasa to Upavishta A. Inhale to lift. Exhale to fold. Inhale to lengthen. Keep the hands on the floor. Exhale, legs back and lowering. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale, come through to seated, however is best, and we'll take Upavishta Konasana A. So take the legs to a nice wide angle. Draw the toes back. 1, find the breath, squeeze Mula Bandha. 2, so you can begin to hinge forward, but keep the back nice and long. 3, an option might be to bring the fingertips forward. That's it, settle into your breath. Don't force anything. 4, only if this is easy for you, would you bend lower, maybe the forearms. Full posture is chin to floor or forehead to floor, but know that that's a journey. And 5, good, enjoy your practice, no stress. Inhale, lift up. And exhale. So from here, take hold of the hinge at the back of the knees. Take hold of the feet. I'll show you from a different angle. And this is a seated balance. So make sure you're on the sitting bones. Now it might be you sit tall with the heels just out to the sides. 1. You might be able to lift up onto your sitting bones, lift the heels. 2. Find your breath. Lift the gaze towards the forehead. 3. You might be able to begin to straighten out. No, you might roll back. That's also all right. Just come in again. 4. Eventually you try to straighten the legs, lift the chest, but here is fine. Back of the thighs is fine. Good. Take the option you need to take. And 5. Exhale, release. And we take a vinyasa. So seated or step through, lower the body. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale, come through right to the front of your mat. We're going into an inversion of Supta Konasana, the final variation. So you can lay on your back. Option 1 is just to take your legs wide from this position. 1. So this is a variation of Viparita Karani. You might take this if you're on your cycle, you feel fatigue or neck or eye issues or heart disease. 2. If this is okay for you, you might rock your hips into your hands and take your legs in the air. Make sure you can breathe. Squeeze your walnuts. So imagine you can squeeze a walnut between your shoulder blades. Press down through the elbows. From there, you can begin to lower the feet. 3. You can bring the feet to the floor. If you can do that easily, then you take hold of the toes. 4. If your feet don't meet the ground, please keep your hands on your hips. It's all right. This is a beginner's class. Good. 5. Now from here, exhale. See, if you can roll down, and you might be able to roll back up or not. You might need to do that in stages. If you can roll back up, you go back to wherever you got to. Good. And then you see if you can roll forward. So it might just be a case of bringing your heels down and straightening out. If you're in a full posture, you might be able to roll all the way down. Ideally, you keep hold of the feet. That might not be possible. So you have to use a bit of momentum. So I'll show you all put together. You see if you can roll off. It might take a few times. And I just roll back again. It's all right. And then you see maybe if you can then roll forwards. Don't strain yourself. Good. Have fun with it, and then take your vinyasa. You can step back or seated vinyasa. Exhale, elbows in. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale, come through. You come to the final 3. Baddha Padmasana or Yoga Mudra, arms behind the back. Inhale. Exhale, folding. 1. So make sure your legs are in a position that's right for you. 2. Begin to follow the waves of breath into your forward fold. 3. 4. Again, see where you can relax. Relax the back of the neck. 5. 6. Take the forward fold to wherever is suitable. 7. Which may be somewhere up here. That's fine. 8. 9. 10. Squeeze the pelvic floor. Inhale, lift up. Padmasana. Exhale, chin to chest. 1. 2. So stay with Nasagra Dristi. 3. Pinocchio Dristi, as always. Straight lines of energy with the arms. 4. 5. Try and regulate the breath, but to your own rhythm. 6. So remember, I'm just counting a period of time. 7. Keep hold of those bandhas. Keep the spine straight. That's it. 8. 9. And 10. Inhale, look up. Exhale, release. Your version of Upavishta and entering. 1. Strong breathing. 2. Squeeze. 3. 4. Press down through the shoulders. 5. Doing really well. Stay there. 6. You need to come down, come back up. 7. You may just be engaging, that's okay. 8, squeeze in, tuck in. 9, keep looking forward. And 10, exhale, release, well done. Ease out the wrists. You can take a full vinyasa or seated. I'm taking seated. Legs back, lower the body. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale, come through. And then lay all the way down to take Shavasana. Palms open, floppy ankles. Take a big inhale. Exhale. Again, big inhale. Exhale. Last one, make it a good one. Big inhale. Exhale. Beginning to settle into the state of Narojaha or inner stillness. Resting here for a short time. Wish to stay longer, please do. Otherwise, begin to deepen the breath. Sending the breath down to fingers and toes, bringing some movements there as you move the head from side to side. And then take a nice long inhale, reach back. Exhale, release. Bending at the elbows and the knees, have a squeeze in. Big thank you to the body for meeting those challenges in the best way you could. Roll over to one side. Plant a seed of gratitude for the practice, for yourself getting this far into our challenge. And then carefully lever yourself back up to comfortable seated position. Sit tall, lengthen the spine with the heart space. Bring the hands to Anjali Mudra and gently bow the head as we give thanks for our practice. And then inhale, lift the prayer hands up. Exhale, namaste. So well done. I hope you enjoyed the class. If you did, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Join me on Instagram for lots more yoga inspiration. Take care.